Everybody, thanks for checking out the video. Today we're talking about the simplest trick to skyrocket your contracting company in 2019. All right, I'm talking about the thing that's in your pocket, thing that I'm using to film this video. And speaking of which, I'm talking all about using pictures and videos to promote your contracting business and sell more work. Guys, I'm gonna take you through exactly why you need to be taking more pictures and videos, how exactly to be doing it to make it the easiest on the entire web, and literally how to leverage it, okay? Where you need to be posting it, when you need to be posting it, all that good stuff. So stick with me. I think you're gonna like what you hear. So everybody, so thanks again for checking out this video. And funny enough, that's what we're talking about today. We're talking about pictures and videos for your contracting business. And oh my God, just getting more and more important. We're in 2019 now. And if you're not yet taking just tons, stupid amounts of pictures and videos for your contracting business, you're doing it wrong. Here's a little thing to even start to make sure you pay attention to me. There's a stat that by 2020, less than a year from now, almost 80% of everything on the internet you're looking at, it's gonna be video. Over 80%. That's freaking wild. So please pay attention, all right? So it's gonna be super important, and I hope you understand. So here's a little bit why we think it's so important, all right? Stat A, it's all over the internet. Stat B, we're in a visual industry, right? You're a contractor, you're doing awesome work. Tons of you are freaking artists, right? So you need to be showing your work, because in my mind, what builds more trust than being able to show the proof? You're not just talking about, yeah, I can build that fence for you, or no problem, I can install those perfect windows, or I can renovate your entire basement, or build you an entire new house. How is someone gonna trust that you can do the job you're saying without you actually showing proof of your past work? Okay, so it's very, very important. And it's actually awesome because you can use it to sell. Have you ever come across an instance with a client where they're like, yeah, I don't really know exactly what I want. I was hoping that you give me, some guidance. Just come on out here and help me. Well, what if instead of running on out there, wasting hours of your time, you simply say, you know what, are you near your computer? Or if I texted you a link, could you go to it on your phone? Of course, we're in 2019, right? So by having these pictures, whether they're on your website ideally, or even just on a listing site, Angie's List, House, your Facebook page, or your Google My Business account, now you can direct people, right? Direct them to your page. You're like, okay, great. Now we're in our Facebook page, go to a specific album that, let's say we're talking about a renovation company, and right, they want a bathroom renovation. Like, okay, sweet. If you click on my photos, they're on the left side, you'll see albums, and you'll see bathroom renovations, the third one, right? So you're on your side looking at it the same time they are. Now you can ask a simple question, what sticks out to you? Are you seeing anything that you like? I mean, do you think that that's gonna help you, right? To understand what they're picturing, and at the same time, they're seeing your work. Your work speaks for itself, right? If you're doing good shit, which I assume all of you guys are, your work's gonna speak for itself, and people are gonna trust you more, and you're gonna get a great idea of the end product that your new client wants, right? You're gonna ensure that you're satisfying them, because now you can see what they see. They can see what you see, what you do. Ba-bam, bada bing, bada boom. Sweet. So that is really selling using pictures, all right? Point people there so that they can see exactly what you're talking about. So now, how do you do it? What's the hardest way, the hardest piece of getting started, getting up and going? No joke, guys, it's all in your head. It's that mental block of, I don't want to be on video. Okay, first, fine, don't take videos of yourself, right? Just of your work. Or like, I'm not a photographer, I'm not a videographer. I'm gonna pay somebody to do it for me, which is great and all, but what about the lower tier projects, right? That aren't a few $1,000s or a few tens of thousands of dollars where it might be worth it. Yeah, you build a $800,000 house. Hey, I think it's gonna be worth it. Hire a professional photographer, a videographer, showcase that guy. But other than that, what's in your pocket, your phone, is so powerful. Guys, I'm using my iPhone right now to film this video. Do you think the quality's good enough? I do. I'm a marketing guy, right? We have to produce good quality content because this is my proof, right? This is the proof. If someone comes to me and says, hey, Wayne, will you and your team film a video for us? And then all of a sudden, all of our videos for our own company are just total shit, right? They're blurry. You can't hear the sound, anything like that. What does that say? So use your phone. It's good enough. And here's a little trick. Go set yourself a reminder or an alarm, right? You can set it for only certain days of the week. And I suggest setting it an alarm for right at lunchtime, all right? Call it, well, of course, whatever time you take lunch, but maybe 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock is a great time. Literally says take pictures, right? Honestly, better yet, make it 2 things. 8 a.m., right when you get in the job site, and then 2 p.m. Take pictures. Take a step back, put down, all your tools, pull out your phone. You're gonna be so happy that you did. Now what you wanna do, horizontal, okay? This is the trick. Vertical video and vertical pictures do well, don't get me wrong, but with horizontal, you can do so much more. You're taking a bigger aspect ratio, as in you're showing a lot more of the scene, so then that's easier to cut down to vertical if you need to, versus taking a horizontal and trying to just crop it down into a vertical. It'd be a lot smaller if that makes sense. So whip your phone out, move horizontally, and take pictures, okay? The biggest tips right here, before and after pictures. Before and after pictures, guys. Here's another one, take them from the same angle, all right? If I was taking a before and after picture of, a new fence that I'm doing, right? Maybe right when you get onto the job site, you're looking at the project, then you take one from the back patio, like it's some shitty old fence, whatever, a little distance. And then if your after picture is, from way in the yard, kind of sideways, you can still see the work, it looks good, but you can't see the comparison, right? Think about it like this, weight loss. How do they showcase weight loss pictures? Do they just show you a picture of some ripped ass jacked guy or some skinny bikini model? I know a lot of you guys think that would be nice, but they always put like the fat version right beside them. Why do you think that is? It's to show the transformation. It's basically telling the story. And if you can tell the story of the work that you do for your clients, for your future clients, they're gonna be so at ease. They're gonna trust you. They're gonna be confident that you can actually achieve and deliver on what they want, okay? So pull your phone out of your pocket. I suggest 2 times a day, take pictures, take some videos of the work. It doesn't have to be long videos. It doesn't have to be anything intense. Like I said, you don't even have to be on the camera if you don't want, but it's way better to have these pictures and videos and potentially not even need them than need them and not have them. That's the number one thing that we ask of all of our clients here at Full Sail, is just constantly to please get us more pictures and videos. To be able to market in 2019 appropriately, 2019, 2020, 2020, for forever, you need pictures and videos, guys. We're in a visual industry. Show off your stuff. It's gonna be great. So now, after you start taking these pictures and videos, the best way to leverage them is to, first off, you can literally do it on your phone. After you select them all, send them online right from there. All right, you can send them to either Google Drive, go to Google Drive. There'll probably be a link in the bio, or just type in Google Drive account, or Dropbox. Dropbox is one of the originals, but both of them are just online cloud storage softwares. Get all your pictures in there. I suggest labeling them into folders for yourself and potentially for your future marketing company. Yeah, I'm being a little bit selfish here, but label it as in the job, bathroom renovation, fence construction, deck addition, whatever it might be, and then the job's last name. If you can be organized now, you don't need to label every single individual picture. Holy shit, you guys already don't have very much time, or you're spread so thin. So simply just put them into a folder so you can refer back to them later on when you need bathroom pictures. You'll just type in bathroom to Google Drive, so that'd be good to go. Now from there, you want to be showcasing these pictures. Is it gonna help if all these pictures and videos are just on your phone? No. It's gonna help if they're just sitting on Google Drive or Dropbox? No. So you wanna leverage them. By leverage, I mean putting them out there, using them, right? So the best places that you wanna put them, you ideally wanna put them all of these places, and they're all free, okay? They're all free. We're talking about your Facebook business page. Like I said, create different albums if you can. or at the very least, just put them up there, really. That way, if people ever want to see your work, they can hit your Facebook business page, click on photos, and start scrolling down and see all the awesome work you do. All right, so your Facebook business page is huge. In theory, before that would be your website. If you have a website, put them on there. Get a portfolio section or a past work section on your website. Once again, you can use it so easily to sell from. People are going to sell themselves by going through it, but a lot of you guys don't have websites or you have to pay for them, but we're sticking to free here. So sub website, Facebook business page. Next, all those listing sites. I'm talking about Yelp. Let's get some logos up here. I'll say this: Yelp and Angie's List and Home Advisor and Houzz and Thumbtack, right? These are all free platforms. You can create a free account and you can put pictures up on there. I don't know if you guys know this or if I'm just telling you shit that you already know, which is awesome, but people aren't doing enough of it, or they did it one time and then they forget to update, right? If you were a customer, right, put yourself in their shoes and you're looking for a company and okay, they pop up on Thumbtack and like, oh nice, let me check out their recent work. Oh shit, 3 years ago? This picture's from 3 years, and they keep going back 3.5, 4 years ago? Is this company still in business? Well, I'm just gonna, before I call and check, I'm just gonna keep scrolling. I'm gonna keep looking for something else, right? People want zero friction in the whole process, so show them you're an active company, you're still running, you're still hustling, you're still killing the game, bringing amazing service, amazing products. Okay, so all of those listing sites, put them up there. And last but definitely not least, Google My Business. If you don't have a Google My Business account, basically what it is like if you type in a business's name or an industry, you'll see a little box will have a few companies' names in it, and usually the map. That's called the map pack, but either way. But those are Google My Business accounts. They're free to set up. I think we have a video, actually on how to set them up. But other than that, it'll walk you through it. If you want help, call us. Guys, head over to the website, give me a call, and I'll either make a personal video for you or I'll help you set it up. Honestly, do yourself and your contracting business a favor. Get your Google My Business account. It's free. And upload the pictures there, right? Everybody's on Google. That's where everybody's starting. And so you want to put your pictures there also. And you know what else is awesome is that because it's Google, it's through Google, they're going to promote it even more. It's showing up before you even have to click on any links, right? You can see the little square on the side of the search results. It says company's name and there's pictures right above it. Honestly, if you have an account, go over to it and you actually see how many times it's viewed. In like no time, you're going to see thousands of views on these pictures, believe it or not. And so Google's going to promote those because it's Google. They're going to promote themselves, right? They want people to just stay on their platform and use their stuff. They're selfish. They're a business, obviously. Guys, that's about all I got for you, right? Nothing too intense, but do a favor, set yourself a reminder on your phone. Take pictures, before and after pictures, before and after videos. You're going to be so happy you did it, and it's going to skyrocket your contracting company. I promise you that. If you have any questions, reach out, drop a comment. But here's a little tidbit for all of you guys that stick till the very end. Head on over to fullsalemarketing.com/giveaway. We're actually busy giving away a free resource. It's actually a PDF guide to I think it's the 10 best questions to ask for a video testimonial. You guys all know the reviews and testimonials are super important, right? Just the text. Now what if you can get video in there also, right? So it's super easy. We actually outline in the guide how to film them, how to position people, which questions to ask, so you can get an amazing testimonial from your customers that are already raving about you. Guys, thanks again for tuning into the video. I will catch you next time.